your Eyewitness Weather forecast.
Taking a live look at the beautiful sunset happening right now. Chilly out there in the low 40s, but you can catch the sun. It just went down below the horizon before 6 p.m. this evening. Sun setting earlier and earlier for us, and we're actually experiencing right now the latest sunrises of the year. Today our sunrise was at 7:39 a.m. and we'll have our latest sunrise on Saturday. That'll be all the way at 7:42 a.m. But by Sunday we do set the clocks back, so that'll bring the sunrise 6:45, and it gets later and later through the end of the year, but the second latest will be 7:32. So Saturday we have that latest sunrise of the year, but coming up an hour earlier on Sunday, we'll also see that sunset push to 4:45 p.m. by Sunday afternoon. Now, you may have missed it last night. There was a beautiful view of the northern lights from the North Country. Kurt Gardner capturing this beautiful photo at Big Moose Lake last night. In between, you can see some clouds. There's a few flurries coming through from time to time, but it paid off staying up for that beautiful shot there from last night. Now you can see on the radar we do have a few sprinkles and a few flurries on the radar. We've been seeing these through the afternoon this afternoon. They are winding down now, and as we lose the daytime heating from the sunshine today, we'll see those largely shutting off overnight tonight. And it's going to be a cold one again. Temperatures get into the mid-20s, 25 in Old Forge tonight, 27 in Ilion, and we're back into the mid-40s tomorrow afternoon. We're looking at 47 in Utica, 46 in Cooperstown, low 40s in the North Country there. Still a little bit below normal for tomorrow, but you can see we'll shift above normal over the course of the weekend. We're looking at upper 50s and then 60 by Tuesday. So we'll have a nice swing in the other direction, much more mild for us heading into next week. Now you see on the Futurecast tonight, we're going to go to mainly clear skies. That's going to allow our temperatures to really drop off. Nice sunshine here for tomorrow. We have a very small chance for a stray sprinkle or flurry again tomorrow, but most of the day ends up dry, clear and cold again tomorrow night. And then here we are on Saturday. That's going to be another dry day, ample sunshine, really nice quiet weekend with similar conditions expected on Sunday. So tonight we are down into the 20s. It'll be frosty again to start the day tomorrow. Mainly clear skies overnight. Beautiful sunshine for us tomorrow. Mostly sunny, light breeze out of the west, and temperatures in the mid-40s in the afternoon. Back down to the 20s again tomorrow night, but low 50s on Saturday. It'll start to feel more comfortable by Sunday. We get that extra hour of sleep Saturday night as we set the clocks back, and then Sunday we have that earlier sunrise, but also an earlier sunset before 5 p.m. Sunday afternoon. Trending much more mild for next week. 50s Monday. And it looks like we'll have some low 60s possible on Tuesday. You'll notice our overnight temperatures next week as well, staying above freezing. So certainly turning the corner there, not going to be quite as frosty for us, at least for just a little while.
Yeah, I'm excited to hear that. I wasn't quite ready to scrape some frost off the windshield last night.
We were due. We were spoiled by our warm October, so we were due for the frost and the snowflakes. But yeah, we'll have a little bit of a break again next week. A little bit of a break
is good. Yes. Thanks, Colleen. Here's a look at what's coming up tonight.
First,
another frosty night for us tonight. Temperatures get down into the mid-20s once again. We'll have another cool day tomorrow, but we do have a warming trend ahead. Details coming up. Eyewitness News first at 10 starts right now.
now your Eyewitness Weather forecast.
Taking a look at the time lapse from today, we had some good sunshine, but clouds in the afternoon, a couple of showers and flurries coming by at times as well. But a beautiful sunset. You can see a shower go by just to the south of us there right before the sun went down. A chilly but beautiful end to the day for us there. Sunset before 6 p.m. for us tonight, and we're actually experiencing our latest sunrises of the year right now. Our sunrise today was at 7:39 a.m. and the latest will happen on Saturday at 7:42 a.m. because even though the sunrise will get later and later right on through the end of the year, we set the clocks back on Saturday night. So Sunday morning, the sun will be up before 7 a.m. Gets later and later until the latest sunrise of the year, which happens right around the 31st or the 1st of January, and that'll be at 7:32 a.m. So 7:42 on Saturday will be our latest sunrise of the year, and we'll see that sunset before 5 p.m. on Sunday. Now, you may have missed it last night. We had a beautiful view of the northern lights in the North Country. Kurt Gardner catching this photo at Big Moose Lake. Beautiful bright colors there. You can also see some clouds going through. Very chilly last night with some flurries, but worth it for Kurt to get out there and get this beautiful, beautiful photo. Do follow him on social media if you don't already. Now, later tonight, going to be another cold one. Temperatures in the 20s across the board. 25 in Oneonta, 27 in Ilion tonight. So frosty again tomorrow, and will be pretty cool cool in the afternoon, only a degree or two warmer than we were today. Really, we're looking at low 40s in the North Country, 47 in Utica tomorrow afternoon, 46 in Cooperstown. The temperature's a little bit below normal for this time of year, but you can see over the next couple of days, we'll be swinging actually above average. Temperatures getting into the 50s nicely on Monday and 60 even possible by the time we get to Tuesday of next week. So still a little bit chilly here heading into the weekend, but you'll notice that more mild air definitely by Monday. Now you see on the futurecast tonight, we are very, very quiet. Skies are mainly clear, and tomorrow will be a nice sunny day as well. We have a very small chance for a stray shower to pop up. You'll see that here on the futurecast. Most of us, though, stay dry all day. Clear and cold again tomorrow night, and then going forward to Saturday, you'll see we're nice and quiet here on the futurecast. That means dry weather and full sunshine expected there for the first half of the weekend. Looking like a really nice fall weekend with dry weather Sunday as well. So tonight we've got mainly clear skies. We'll get down into the mid-20s. So frosty start tomorrow. Give yourself a little extra time to warm up and defrost that windshield tomorrow morning. We'll be into the mid-40s in the afternoon. Plenty of sunshine, a little bit of a breeze out of the west, but truly a comfortable fall day for where we should be for this time of year. We're into the 50s for Saturday and Sunday. Still a couple of frosty nights, but Sunday night looks like we'll stay just a few degrees above freezing, and then we're above freezing for much of next week. We'll see highs in the 50s Monday, low 60s it looks like possibly on Tuesday, and then we've got those 50s continuing into the middle of next week, and very, very dry here in the 7-day forecast. It looks like we'll see showers hold off until after Veterans Day likely for us.
Awesome. Thanks, Colleen. Still to come tonight on Eyewitness News. First at 10, our sports director David Edelstein has word from the Utica Comets. That's next.
Your weather forecast is
Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
Okay, you got to take a look at this time lapse from earlier on today. We had an isolated shower go through just at the right time, making for a beautiful sunset there as the sky opened up after it passed through. We had some flurries, some rain showers, and some graupel this afternoon as well. That's the type of snow that almost looks like Dippin' Dots. Often gets confused for hail. That's called graupel, and it's actually snowflakes that are covered in rime ice, frost, if you will. And we saw an early sunset tonight before 6 p.m., but this time of year, we're actually experiencing our latest sunrises over the next couple of days. This morning, it rose at 7:39, and Saturday will be the latest of the year, 7:42 a.m. there. But because we set the clocks back on Saturday night, Sunday morning, it'll come up before 7 a.m., though it will continue to get later and later as we go on through the end of the year. It's after the winter solstice when we'll see our next latest sunrise, which will be 7:32 a.m. And you'll notice Sunday's sunset 4:45 p.m. because of that time change. Now, we did have a view of the Northern Lights last night. If you missed it, Kurt Gardner up in Old Forge got this beautiful photo over Big Moose Lake of those Northern Lights last night. You can see we had some cloud cover going on, some flurries last night, quite a cold night, but it paid off to get out there. Kurt with beautiful photos there. You can find those on his social media and website as well. We're in the 20s already in Utica right now, down to 29 degrees. You can see our wind is calm, skies are clear. Those two things together are a recipe for a very cold night because the heat on the ground can radiate right out into space. If we had a wind, it's counterintuitive, but the wind would actually keep us warmer overnight. Because we have no wind, we'll continue to cool down. Mid-20s in Utica, 25 in Cooperstown tonight, 24 in Oneonta. So frost on the windshield likely again tomorrow morning, and we'll get into the 40s in the afternoon, 42 in Old Forge, 48 in Ilion tomorrow, about where we were today, maybe a degree or two warmer there in the afternoon. But we do have a gradual warming trend heading into the weekend. We'll be in the 50s there. Our normal high right now is 51, so below normal this week, but we will have a nice shift above normal for next week, looking like 60 possible on Tuesday. So overnight tonight, we've got clear skies, very, very quiet out there tonight. Just a few clouds in the North Country, but we will have that sunshine for tomorrow. A nice dry day. Very small chance for a stray shower to come through, kind of like we saw this afternoon, but looks like a fairly dry day overall. We are clear and cold again tomorrow night, expecting frost again there, but you'll see the futurecast stays nice and clear here on Saturday. Dry sunshine expected for us all weekend long this weekend, actually. So tonight we're down to 26 in Utica. Skies will be mainly clear, frosty to start tomorrow, but we're into the mid-40s in the afternoon. Plenty of sunshine, light breeze out of the west. Should be a really nice quiet day for us. 20s again for the next couple of nights, but we get into the low 50s this weekend, and actually starting on Sunday night, we'll actually stay above freezing for nights next week. So definitely definitely more mild once we get into next week. 50s and maybe 60 possible on Tuesday, so definitely above normal a little bit there, and very, very dry. We continue with that quiet weather pattern. Looks like showers hold off likely until after Veterans Day, believe it or not. So cold, but quiet and improving.
Nice. I'll take it.
Very good.
Thanks, Colleen. There's more Eyewitness News coming up after the break.